Now I will show you like how to create TR. Okay, and
Okay.
let's assume a TR is created by someone. Okay, that in the same TR you need to add your role. In that situation, how you will handle? Okay, let's do this.
Okay.
Now go to SAP. Okay, so now I have already created one user. This is a, let's assume, security user. Okay, my ID is this one, secadmin. I have created one ID. I will log in with this now. Control, I'll keep it here. Wait, wait. Close all these things. So this is my ID, admin ID. I will log in one more. Log on. What is that? This one, and password is, well, what did I keep?
Welcome
Welcome
at
123. Huh?
yes, yes.
Now see, initial password is set by you. Now you need to set again. Now same welcome at 12345. Welcome at 12345. Password must be identical. Mm, Very important topic this one. Okay.
Okay.
What is this? When to contain 9 digits or yeah. Mm, Set now. Okay. Now I will create one TR. Okay.
Okay.
Wait. Let me hide all these things. Okay. Now
Okay.
this person is creating. Let's assume this sec BLR is there. No, this person
Okay.
security team is creating uh, the R. Okay. C10. What? Okay. I
You're
don't have
not
access.
given any
See.
access.
Correct. Now a C10, this guy doesn't have access. Let me give this access to him. Go back.
Not a single one. Tips is it?
So I have not given that T code. What is the T code? SC10. SC10. SC09 also I will give. Assign. Save. Now see, you got authorization error, right? Now
Okay.
it will not come. SC10. Why it is not happening? Okay.
User comparison, authorization. Profile need to generate, right?
Yes.
Why you again going back to Vijay?
Hmm?
You can generate and save direct, right? Why you are going again to back? Okay, then save it directly. Enough, huh? Why you
No,
going
it's
back
not
again?
making. To check. Yeah. So now it's saved. Okay. So C10. Okay, now I
Okay.
need to
Okay.
create an user. See, this is my name. I'm creating in a here. Now I want to create a customize.
Okay.
I will tell you the difference between this and this option. All of that we'll talk about later. Now I want to create on new TR. Create option here there. It will ask you what type of TR you need to create. I wanted to create only customized. Click on OK. This is for say what is that
Role transfer.
role transfer. Now save. Okay. Now I am the admin. Like this is my T code. I mean the TR
Okay.
8879. Okay.
Okay.
Now I want to transfer one role. I'm admin. Okay. I
Okay.
wanted to transfer. No, I want to add that role into this TR. Okay.
Okay.
Now see what will happen. I'm as admin. Like wait.
Enter proper role. Okay.
So now click role execute. Now it will throw an error. So you're not owner. It will. How come? Wait. It's different one. No. Not copied. Copy. Now it's copied. Now it will show an error. You are not owner. See,
Yeah. Okay.
user sec admin is not involved in a request because I'm not owner. Because this
Okay.
guy has created this TR.
Okay.
Now, now you have to tell him the
Mm.
two ways here. Okay, this how you will handle the situation. You have to tell him make me the admin. You can tell him, or you no need to tell if he's not if he's away, then you can do it yourself. Okay.
Okay. Mm.
Now, as a being a secret admin, you can go to SC09. Here, come back SC09 or 10, whatever. Come here, 1 second, 09. Here, okay. Now you have to change the ownership, correct? Na?
SSP.
Now take this guy ID. This is the ID. Copy, paste it here. Now, whatever he has created, it will show now. Okay, display.
Okay.
See, now
Ah,
click this
ah,
one, 7 8 only. Na?
ah.
Click this one, it shows change owner.
Okay.
See, this person, this guy is created na BLR2. Now your name will come. Save. Your owner got changed now. The TR. Now
Okay.
you are the owner for that. Okay.
Okay.
Now again, go back to that SC10. Okay, modifiable. You can see here. Where is that role? PFCG. Now click the transport request. Execute. Is that correct?
Uh,
Wait. No, this one. I want to load this one. Earlier it was coming. You are not involved, right? Now it's see what will come. Uh,
not copied.
hmm. Now earlier it was showing you are not involved. Now it will see. See,
Okay.
done. It's added.
Okay.
This is how we change the ownership of the TR and we'll add the TR into the respect.
Okay.
I mean,
Okay.
role into the respective TR. That's all about the transport request.